Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom code on Fortnite. It's a very simple method. Just simply add to the Discord account. I have given the link. Then verify yourself. So after getting verified, scroll down on the general, then go to the command option. In the command, just simply write what I am writing. So doing this will create or generate the code, and then you can play the game. Right? You guys find this video like well, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video. Ta-da!